Alright, tubes, it's engine night here, but we're going to call it mini bike night because Mike, I'm making a video. Mike here is working on his rat machine. What are you doing, Mike?
I'm going to get the brake to work finally and fix up my exhaust system there.
Yeah, that was pitiful there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then change your clutch, huh?
Yeah, might as well try it.
We're gonna give Mike a used clutch to take. Because the one he got.
My other used clutch.
Yeah.
That's pretty sharp.
Yeah.
I don't have much pickup with that.
Nah, he can't go up hills and stuff, so maybe this used one we got will be a little better, but we'll see what Lil Racer's doing over here.
Oh.
Last time we checked with Lil Racer, he blew the rear tire out.
I'll put a straight pipe on it. And now look what we got.
We bought him some 10-inch Rupp tires. He's gonna put them on there. But in order to do that, we're gonna have to take his gas tank off and probably give him a peanut tank up here on the frame. And we're going to give him the Tecumseh carb. He's been wanting one for a while. Tecumseh. But there's going to be a little modification because they're 1/2 inch. Oh no, they're 5/8.
Yeah.
And the axle was a 1/2 inch. So we're gonna work on that. But
we're gonna make it happen though.
We are. He's got to put some bearings in there too. So I'll try and keep up with these guys. Show you what's going on. Meanwhile, we also have a Tecumseh carburetor we're going to have to rebuild, so that may just be a video in itself. Alright, mini bike night. Oh yeah, little dirt bike ain't going to make it. He's at an award ceremony. He's an honor student, so he has to represent himself. And Daddy dirt bike is with him, so it's just going to be us three tonight. Alright, we'll keep up with these guys. Alright, let's see what Lil Racer's doing over here. He's putting just changed his bearings. Put new bearings in this thing.
Whoa!
What he had to do is put this spacer in there so he can crank up on the wheel when it gets done. Stuck to my finger. Alright. Let's go see what Mike is doing. What's going on here, Mike?
I'm deciding where to have my exhaust come out at. Now that we're going to redo it, might as well make it nice.
Right. So you got to take the carb off to get to that exhaust.
Yeah, just to be able to rotate it.
Pretty gnarly. We got that just in time, I think.
Threads are good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. They sure are.
Somebody had a pipe in there and it never really tightened up.
Good thing they put anti-seize on it so it wouldn't bite into the aluminum.
Yeah. I don't know about that. I think it's just your block.
Nah.
What do you think? What do you think, Racer?
Threads are nice and deep, aren't they?
I don't know about that, Mike.
Oh, I'm sure they are.
They feel pretty sharp.
They are.
No, nice and deep.
Pretty buggered.
They're pretty sharp, Mike.
Oh, man.
We gotta see if we can fix that. Alright. It's like Lil Racer's making some spacers there for his axle. I think he decided to go with this original axle here, which is only a 1/2 inch. Actually, it's probably metric because that's an Italian bike. So he's just going to bore some spacer holes because the bearings on his I don't know where they're at. The bearings on here are 5/8, so I think he's just going to make little bushings. He was going to use a 5/8 axle, but he decided to go with this. It's easier. You see what Mike's doing over here? Looks like he took his muffler off and turned it in. Yeah, shortened it and put it in there, so that'll alleviate that problem. Now he's just putting his carburetor back on. Let's see what's going on back here now. Lil Racer's got his exhaust off, his carburetor off. Alright, see how that carb rebuilding is going. See what Lil Racer did here. He actually made a bushing for the inside there. I don't know if you can see that. But that was 5/8, and he actually is using, we don't even know what size that is, but it's, you know, we thought it was a 1/2 inch, but it's obviously metric. You know, it's off his little Italian bike, but it's going to work good now. Look at it. Went in like it had eyes. So you're about ready to go. You're about ready to roll there, buddy.
Yeah, almost.
All
Another
right.
one to make.
Oh. Alright. See how Mike's doing over here. What, you got your brake back on, Mike?
Yeah, brake's on.
It's working?
I'd say I'm ready for a test ride.
Might be dark out.
Oh man.
What time is it there, Racer?
7:55.
How much?
7:55.
Oh, it's still light out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you're not going to try to brake, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess if that shit's going to dry, it dries. It's already dry.
Yeah, it's a
Huh.
little bit of heat will do it good.
Yeah. All right. Let's get this thing off the lift, and we'll go take it for a test run.
Alright.
What else did you need on this, Mike? Didn't there something else we had to fix?
I put a different clutch on it.
Oh, yeah, okay. I forgot about that. Mike already changed the clutch. Here's the other one. That's right. We want to try that out, see if that was any good.
Comet off and put the max torque.
Comet, yeah.
Old Comet.
Comet clutch. Maxi torque. Max torque.
Yeah, I'm going to pull this off real quick and see what these shoes look like.
Okay. Here goes Mike. Wow. Mike's liking that. He's got a new clutch. It actually looks faster. Wow. I think it's faster. Yeah, this tooth had this had one less tooth than the other one. I hear him. Looks like he's going faster. So now he's got brakes, he's got a decent clutch.
Brakes and everything.
Look at it, look at him go. He's happy. Goes Racer, he couldn't stand watching Mike ride around. So he grabbed mine. Look at it, whoa. Be careful, that's a rough there. Look at Mike is competitive now. We almost hit each other. Got bad bump in the road right there. Oh yeah. There you go. Lil Racer's out of fuel. Gotta go fuel him up. Lil Racer probably not even gonna make it back. Alright. Lil Racer had the little holes, had to recenter his sprocket there. Drill new holes in there. Instead of buying a new one, he's going to reuse the old one. Pretty sharp drill he got there, buddy.
Yeah, look at that curly.
Wow. Yeah, we got that thing perfectly centered. I don't know if you can see them little brass studs sticking up. We centered the sprocket with them. The little spaces in between that and where the sprocket is. Alright, after we bolts it up, we'll take a look at it.